Easy now, bring it down slowly.
This door is completely seized.
The corrosion on the calipers is extensive. We're looking at a full rebuild.
At least the chassis seems salvageable. Let's see the interior.
This is going to be a complete ground-up job.
We need to stabilize the patina before we do anything else.
Agreed.
Let's start with the engine bay assessment.
The rust is purely superficial on the main frame. We can save it.
But look at the suspension. That's going to need a full replacement.
The rust here is extensive, especially around the wheel arch.
Noted.
We're looking at a full frame-off restoration, minimum 2 years.
Okay, note down the front fender rust. And the door panel is severe.
Right. Wheel arch oxidized and the chassis is corroded.
I've never seen a DB5 this far gone. The corrosion on the carburetors is extensive.
We're looking at a full rebuild, maybe more.
I finally got the gauge out. It looks completely corroded.
Okay, let me hook it up to the diagnostic and see what we get.
Careful, careful. Lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Got it. Let's get this out of the way.
All right, easy now, it is heavy. Put it on the bench right next to the others.
Okay, it's loose. Careful, it's heavier than it looks.
Got it. Watch your side.
The depth on the deep forest green is outstanding. We achieved a perfect 100 gloss reading here.
Excellent. The client will be thrilled.
All right, slowly now. Watch the clearance on the left. Got it.
Looks good here.
Okay, drop it down.